Well, by now you've seen this video. Yeah, we still got it. Oh, that's going to be fun. Hey, got a new toy today. Not a toy, really, a necessity that I didn't have on my RV. It's called a surge protector, and it's by Progressive Industries. This is the ssp-50xl. Yeah, I don't know what that means, but that's what the model is. But it'll do the job. Thank you, dear. Oh, look at, I got...
It's 50 amp.
That's what that means, 50 amp?
Yeah.
Didn't I say 50xl?
Yeah. You said, I don't know what that means.
Oh. Oh, she's being... I'm going to point the camera at her, but she ain't got no make it up. She's knocked the camera right out of my hand. Okay. You're a smart girl sometimes. I knew that it meant that. All right. And here's the instructions. It says, read the instructions before you do anything, blah, 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 blah.
She never does.
I'm going to point the camera at you if you quit talking in the background, girl. She's feeling better, guys. She's feeling frisky. All right. I got to plug this into that over there. You'll see that in a minute. And then, before I plug the RV back into it, which she's not happy about, because what happens when I unplug that?
All the clocks have to be reset, which you will be doing.
Didn't know that part. Okay, when I plug it in, that light and that light's got to be on, blue and green. If they're not, you got a problem. Well, what it says is it'll still work even if it's wired wrong, but you're supposed to go tell the camp manager to get over there and get their butt to fixing it. So let's see if this one's wrong, because we got a short in that thing. And I don't know if it's the computer or what, but we got a little short in there somewhere. Alrighty, here's the instructions. Thought I'd throw this in there. It's pretty self-explanatory. You plug it in, that's all you do. But when it's... What do you want? Did we leave you outside again? Okay. Come on. Yeah. Alright, back to the instructions. It tells you what each one of them mean. The reverse polarity is lit up like this. Your bottom one, the red one, is on. That means no, bad. And this one here is an open circuit when the red one and the blue one is on. The green one will always be on. Then we got this one here, open ground. That means nothing's lit up but the green one. But as I say in the video here, so we're going to plug that in. Been taking decals off. I showed you that in one of the videos. We've got quite a few off. Let me show you this real quick. Remember that one ugly one? I'll put a picture on here what that looked like. It's gone. Still a little residue there, but we'll let it sit a while and then scrape off the rest of that residue. But that decal's all gone. There was two here. We got this one off here in the middle. You can't even see where, I don't even know where it was. There was one there, right across there. It's gone. And the one way up there, maybe you can see it. It went up there. It was gone. So now then, we're going to get over here, and she's going to film. Okay, dear. Here you go. Where you going? You're going. You want to get out of my way so I can get my stuff? Okay. I'm looking pretty today. Hey, hey. All right, here we got this. Don't need the instructions. We know what. Well, let's take them. No, we don't need them.
He never uses them.
No, come over here with me here. Now this simple. This is pretty simple. Surge. All of you know what a surge protector is. It keeps things. If you surge, it don't short stuff out there. And I've been reading a lot of comments on where some of these campgrounds you go to, they'll have something screwed up and it'll screw up your RV. I've never had that problem. But why take the chance? These aren't cheap. And I had to unfortunately pay for it myself because my wife wouldn't pay for it. Okay, you unplug. What you do is you plug this into here like this. You see that okay?
Yeah, I got a bit of a glare.
It's probably off my shining disposition. That goes like that. But first, why'd you let me do that? First, they say plug this in first. So ignore that other part. We're going to plug this in here first, just like that. See, that's plugged in there. Now then, let's see if this is green. Blue and green. That means I can plug it in. So we just take this piece, plug this piece into there, and we are surge protected. Put this down on there. That keeps the water out. How's that working? It don't look like that's going to keep any water out. Let's try to. I think we gotta. There we go. It's dead. Anyway, that's the surge protector. Well, I kicked the photographer off. I'm doing it myself. Oh, now what we go. Anyway, I kicked her out of here. I'm filming it myself. She was giving me too much crap. I'm gonna take her in the house. I'm gonna have to. I don't know what I'm gonna have to do. Take care of her. You shake your head at me. Anyway, that's a surge protector. I'm gonna use it. They said that, like I said, a lot of people have saved their stuff. These are running anywhere from 150 to 350, depending on where you get it. So this is ready to go. As you can see, I shut that back down. It is watertight. I'm going to have problems with this thing here, though. I'll tell you that right now. It's too close to the ground. A lot of these connections are real close to the ground. And them are probably the ones that are wired wrong. Well, that's all I got to tell you. It's a surge protector, just like you have on your computers and everywhere else. So that's all I got to say for now. And wait a minute, that's all I got to say for now. And if you look real quick over my shoulder, there's the woman. She's hiding. There she goes. All right, guys. Hey, another little tip for you. I got this tip off of a site called RV Tips on Facebook. I asked if other people use it, and a lot of people do. A lot of people would never plug in without it. Well, this one is proper, as we can see, so I was okay. But anyway, check them guys out, RV Tips on Facebook. Give them a little plug. They're real good at that. They got some jerks on there, but every site does. Anyway, probably said anyway 40 times just now. I'm out of here.